Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit.
Okay, so it's been a long minute since I've done one of these videos. I've only picked up a few things, so let me quickly get into what I have. Okay, so starting off, we have the Air Max 1 Pattas. I got 2 pairs from the Patta website and 4 from Haven. So let's take a look at the ones I got from Patta. This one comes with the bracelet. It's kind of cool. Nice little touch with it, and here they are. In hand, they actually look really nice. Photos don't really do it justice because you can't see all the materials, the different type of materials they have. I like this little pattern with the gray they have on here, and I thought initially that this was all white, but it's actually like a grayish sort of tone to it. I think they're really dope. Out of the 3 pairs, I think there was a blue one and there was like a burgundy one. I think this is the Monarch pair is probably my most favorite. But yeah, here they are. Now these are the Nike Dunk Lows Georgetown. These don't look bad in person. I mean, I'm trying to get a personal pair of Pandas. So until then, I think these will be a nice little personal pair. But if I do get the Pandas, I'll probably sell these off. But yeah, here they are. So speaking of Pandas, I didn't manage to check out a lot of pairs from the Foot Locker Canada restock. Something with the Q8 release, when there's no Q, then I think the bots that I have don't really check out as much as the others. So I did manage to check out one pair, and this is the 4.5 size, and these are really clean. I mean, I wouldn't pay more than just retail for them, but again, as I mentioned, if I could snag a personal pair, then I would definitely keep these. But yeah, it's crazy how many times that these restock and they're still pretty high profit for a general release dunk. But speaking of which, I'll probably just resell these, not hold onto them because you're just gonna restock often anyway. So that's basically it for my pickups. It's been a quiet month, but I think we're supposed to get some, I guess, good releases coming up. On Foot Locker Canada on the 28th, we have men's and women's pair for the Panda Dunk Lows. I'm definitely going to try to get a personal pair. And this upcoming Friday, I think we have the red foam Yeezys coming. So hopefully I get to hit on that. So we'll see. Hopefully there's more hype that drops. Supreme, there's plenty of items that I still want to go for, but it seems like they've been waiting until the very last or near the end of the season to really drop them. But until then, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.